From California State University, San Bernardino, it's Local Matters.
Snow Day and 3D printing. Hello, I'm Richard Nelson and welcome to Local Matters, featuring stories from across the Inland Empire.
And I'm Destiny Guzman. 3D printing has started to show promise in replacing old ways of manufacturing. Reporter Nataly Ramirez visits Cal State San Bernardino's Innovation Lab to learn how beneficial 3D printing can be.
3D printing is no longer just a topic of futuristic possibilities. With technology that is constantly advancing, we are now able to experience this luxury firsthand.
3D printing is much like regular printing, except we do throw in the third dimension. So you take any model of any figure or any sort of STL model that you have, we take that and print it. How these printers specifically do it is that they take the material, in this case PLA, polylactic acid, melts it at about 190 degrees Celsius, and then continuously does the design over and over. And every time the layer finishes, the build plate that it's building on lowers just slightly.
3D printing continues to influence the future of science. I decided to ask the young men what interesting creations they have witnessed or created themselves.
Well, I know a lot of people play video games, so we make models from characters. We have like one separate printer that uses different material. It's a lot more detailed, so it usually works out really well from there.
My personal favorites are the R2-D2 that we have in the back. That is actually multiple parts. It was one of the first things that was ever printed in the lab. It took about, I want to say, 3 days of just printing with 2 printers that we had at the time. The finalized product really came out really nice.
What would you like to create? A figurine? A cup? A phone case? Think bigger. 3D printing can create custom-made shoes, car parts, and even prosthetic limbs. These may very well be the stepping stones to a new industrial revolution. For Local Matters, I'm Nataly Ramirez.
Snow Day is an annual event where students, faculty, and community can enjoy playing in 30 tons of snow on the campus lawns of CSUSB. Reporter Zach Holbert explains how this day uses the cold to bundle the community together.
Vouchers, local companies, families, and friends all come here to join the annual Snow Day for lots of fun.
You know, Snow Day is actually one of the biggest events that the CSUSB Rec Wellness Center has. It's one of the 3 biggest ones that we have, and I think that to have everybody here and really put the community together is one of the best parts about it.
I think it's pretty cool. I think it brings the school community together. It gets all of us to rejoice and have a good time. We have a lot of those because, stress can lead to a lot of bad things in life, but doing more events like this, it's really stress relieving.
You can see we have different vendors and exhibitors, and so and clubs and organizations, and to kind of just have all that put together in the end and just see the product is amazing.
In addition to Snow Day, CSUSB wants to expand more events to bring students and the community together.
Seeing everybody together, trying to get the school together, having some fun things here and there. Do like more DJ stuff, snow days, concerts like last year. I don't know if you heard of that Peak concert we had. That was pretty cool.
So many people joining here today to enjoy this unique event of Snow Day. Family, friends, and students all got to witness playing in the snow, snowboarding, and enjoying the different vouchers. For Local Matters, I'm Zach Holbert.
To keep updated on what Local Matters is doing, check out our Facebook and YouTube page. I'm Destiny Guzman.
And I'm Richard Nelson. Join us next time for more local stories that matter.